African valor, strong and true. Every single thing they do.
Did you know Hilda Baci, the Nigerian chef who set the world on fire with her jollof rice record, has now become a 3-time Guinness World Record holder in 2026? One woman, 3 world records, from a cookathon that shook the world to a pot of jollof so massive it's fed a city. This is Hilda Baci. Hilda Baci was born on September 20, 1995 in Akwa Ibom, Nigeria. From a young age, she found joy in the kitchen, inspired by her mother's love for cooking. She studied sociology at Madonna University, but never let go of her culinary dreams. For Hilda, cooking was more than food, it was storytelling. Hilda launched her food business, My Food by Hilda, in Lekki, Lagos, a restaurant that brought her mother's recipe to a new audience. She soon hosted Dine on a Budget on Pop Central TV, teaching Nigerians how to cook great meals without spending much. In 2021, Hilda entered the Jollof Face-Off competition and won, proving she could cook Nigeria's most loved dish better than anyone. Her biggest dream? To put Nigeria on the world map through food, and so she prepared to break the Guinness World Record for the longest cooking marathon. On May 11, 2023, Lagos watched as Hilda Baci lit her first stove for what would become a record-breaking cookathon. She cooked for hour after hour jollof egusi suya with barely any rest, powered only by determination and love for Nigeria. Nigerians came in thousands to cheer her on. Music, dancing, and chants of "Go Hilda" filled the air. From Tiwa Savage to Lagos Governor Sanwo-Olu, even celebrities came to witness history. By the third night, exhaustion hit, her feet swelled, her eyes grew heavy, but she refused to stop. On May 15, Hilda surpassed the old record of 87 hours. Lagos erupted in celebration. She didn't stop there. Though exhausted, she aimed for 100 hours, showing the world true resilience. Guinness later confirmed it. Hilda Baci had cooked for 93 hours, 11 minutes, a new world record. She became a national hero across Nigeria. Children and mothers saw her as proof that dreams can be cooked into reality. In late 2023, a cookathon record was broken by Irish chef Alan Fisher, but Hilda congratulated him, showing true sportsmanship. The world took notice, from CNN to BBC, as stories spread far beyond Africa. But Hilda was not done. In 2025, she set her sights on another Guinness World Record, the largest pot of jollof rice ever cooked. For 9 hours, she and her team stirred a pot so big it could feed a city. When the final count came in, the pot weighed 8,780 kilograms of jollof rice, another Guinness World Record. The record-breaking dish fed thousands of Nigerians that day, a feast of unity. But here is the twist. Guinness later confirmed that the same cookathon also qualified as the largest serving of rice overall in the world, meaning Hilda didn't just break one record that day, she earned 2 from the same event. That pushed her total to 3 Guinness World Records, a rare and remarkable achievement. Beyond her record, Hilda is an actress and a teacher. She even runs the Hilda Baci Academy to train the next generation of chefs. To Nigerian women, Hilda represents strength, ambition, and the courage to dream big. She reminded the world records may be broken, but legacies remain. Her story inspired millions across Africa to believe no dream is too big, no pot is too heavy. Hilda turned jollof rice, a beloved West African dish, into a symbol of cultural pride. In Lagos, she will always be remembered as the chef who brought a city together. Hilda's journey is proof. With hard work and courage, you can turn even a spoon into a sword. This is Hilda Baci, chef record breaker, a woman of fire and flavor. Our legacy is only just beginning. This is your Friday Fun Facts with African Valor, celebrating stories that make history. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more brilliance from Africa and beyond. Bye for now.